for identity. There was this longest thread on Facebook at 5,000 plus, read the identity of the Moro, started on Arm Watch. The legacy you leave behind is that the Moro is no longer fiction, nor imagination. It is not dead, nor a memory of a civilization. This was something we took to heart when we in the 90s bannered human rights of the Moro that echoed the student marches of the martial law period. While we were not imprisoned for our beliefs in Manila, we felt the look down as if we had tails on our backs. We felt the pain of Moro women in jails and life on the estero, from sultans, relatives, to people in the sidewalks. In the past, in some areas in our island, mosques and churches have been shot at, volunteers have been beheaded, babies born in evacuation tents, 2 million displaced. 40 years Bapa have passed since the first peace agreement. Have we agreed on peace? Do the 90 million Filipinos care about Amoro? Do they know about Kudarat, Amay Pakpak, and Makdum? What do we demand? Is it an integrated nation? Is it one country, two system? I a Moro and I a Filipino. Is it two states, I Moro and you Filipino? Is it Muslim Filipino or Filipino Muslim? The elders in the MILF and the MNLF told us, the YMP, the following. First is the aspect of leadership in Islam. We all have our own mission and vision. We all have our own beliefs and priorities. We all have our own ways upon helping the struggles of the Bangsamoro. But despite these differences among the elders, is that they are one in doing what is good for our people. As what Islamic leadership emphasizes, it is doing good. Second is the aspect of Ummah Wahida, or unity of the Muslims. Muslims are uniting to be one with the plight of our people. We are doing our best to accomplish our roles as a servant of Allah, and specifically as Khalifa of Allah on this earth. Third is on the aspect of our elders, advising us on our role as youth in the peace-building process. I came up with an acronym, and I quote Ms. Hani Sumdad of YMP. She said, PEACE. P, which stands for being proactive as Muslim youth. E, for educating ourselves about the causes and the struggles of the Bangsamoro. A, for advancing peace and unity among Bangsamoro as a process of healing our centuries-old problem. C, to continue cooperating and collaborating with cultural communities and agencies to assist us as we continue to strive for peace and development. And E, embody the values, learnings, and influences that we got and will continue to have from our elders. Tell me, Bapa, is this armed jihad going to be around for a while? We have talked to generals, negotiators, officials, and foreigners. They also want this war to end, but how? Is it by being an advocate, by being a politician, a teacher, or an indigenous person, rehabilitation worker, or a farmer? I ask you, what is this road that we have to walk in a generation of apathy, when many of our young people spend more time and money to survive in the workplace, when all that we hear is to succeed to feed our family? Do we have time to fight for another nation when this nation of ours demands too much of us? Our group MISA, that is with Mujib Hataman in college, taught us no self-pity and the formidability of the Muslim unity. And this is a song that we composed during our college days. Kami raw ay musmos, innocent at walang alam. Dito sa mundo, kami raw ay utusan. Subalit kami ay namulat sa katotohanan na kami pala ay sandigan ng kinabukasan. Hello. Sandaang taon ang Hello.
Ayan.
Naloko na ako.
Nakawala, no? Hello. Kami raw ay musmos, innocent at walang alam. Dito sa mundo. Ayaw?
Ayaw makisama at isa.
Oo nga eh. Next part na.
Mamaya sa concert.
Mamaya na sa peace concert yun, no? Mamaya na? Mamaya yan? Sandaang taon ang nakalipas, hari tayo sa ating lipunan dahil hari tayo sa ating lipunan dahil nagkaisa tayo, ngunit tayo'y nilalapastangan. Tangan natin ay niyurakan, sa bansang ito ay inaapi. May sa kumilos ka, umang Muslim may sagipin, may sa isulong mo ang ating adhikain. May sa isulong mo ang pangarap natin, may sa isulong mo ang morong adhikain. Yun lang.